If you're considering staying at the Hilton in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, then in this week's video, I'm going to share with you a room tour of where I'm staying right now, an overview of the property, and I'll also be sprinkling in some tips around traveling in Addis. And if you stick around to the end, I'll share with you how much I paid for this room. And if you're new here, welcome! I'm Christine with Where in the World is CL, and I make travel videos every week to help you get up, get out, and go travel. So if you like to travel, consider subscribing. I've been staying at this property in January 2021, and as soon as I got here, I was really impressed with how nice it was and super secure coming in as well. But let's take a look at the room. I was on the 10th floor, which is one of the executive floors because I have diamond status. And so when I arrived, it was really nice. They had the standard Hilton bedding that I'm used to, and it was super nice of them to provide flowers and a fruit basket for my welcome. And the room was super spacious and just well lit. There was an awesome area to work at the desk, and they even had coffee, tea, and a refrigerator, which was super nice. Whoop, whoop, welcome gifts, yep. This bed was super comfy, and I will admit I was very happy with this room. I was also really stoked to have a balcony, and it looked over the city of Addis. And what's awesome about this property is it's really big. They have tennis courts, they have a playground for kids, they have a pool, which was unfortunately under construction while I was there, but it was really nice to be able to just enjoy these beautiful views. The room was awesome, but also awesome is the breakfast downstairs, and they have a full buffet. And given COVID, they have people who are serving you food from the buffet. And so it was really nice to go down there and have a full breakfast, whether you want an American breakfast or an Ethiopian breakfast. They have options for everything. Another dining option is outside in the gazebo, which is really beautiful. And they have outdoor dining, and at night they do have heat lamps, but it overlooks the pool, and it's just a really nice place to go outside to have lunch or dinner. Also in that area is the gym, which was super nice. They have an indoor area, but given COVID, they put some of the equipment outside, which was really awesome. And so I was able to get my workout in while I've been here. And if you happen to have status with Hilton, they also have an executive lounge on the 12th floor, which is really nice, where they have snacks, food, drinks, etc. But the best part is watching the sunset from the views on the 12th floor. A few other things I really enjoyed about this property is the location. It's in a really good spot that's easy to get around. And one quick tip for you, if you're familiar with rideshare apps like Lyft and Uber, the version in Addis is Ride. And so I've been using that to get around, and check out my other videos around tips for traveling around Addis to find out more about that. But I've been using Ride to get around. Another helpful tip to know is that you don't even have to leave the property to run a bunch of errands. So on site, they have all kinds of shops, whether it's for, necessities that you might need or souvenirs, or they even have an Ethiopian Airlines ticketing office here. So I was able to get my airline tickets straightened out while I've been here. And they also have a bank. So those types of amenities are on the property. Oh, and tour operators as well. So you can basically get everything you need to get done on site here. And one thing I've been super thankful for is the Wi-Fi that's here. So one thing to know about traveling around Addis is that depending on where you are, even if you have an Ethiopian SIM card like I do, you might get really spotty or just bad service and no Wi-Fi. And so it's been really challenging for me to stay connected while I've been in Addis, and it's part of the reason why I checked in here, because the Wi-Fi has been super reliable and I've actually been able to get work done and take video calls. Whew. All right, so tell me how much you paid, right? I think one of the things about staying at this property right now, you saw that the pool was under construction right now. And so I think I got a lower rate than what people normally pay. So my friend that lives in Addis said that this hotel normally goes for around $250 a night. You can see on my receipt with taxes and everything, I paid $175 a night, bam, which I'm super stoked on, especially because with my status, they allowed me to check in early and check out super late and have been super nice and welcoming me during my stay. This video is part of a larger Ethiopia series, which includes me riding a mountain bike out in the middle of nowhere of Ethiopia for 5 days. So check out my other videos on my channel. I'm here every week with new videos. If you enjoyed this, cheers that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.